Hey there Titans, welcome to Form Titan Basics. In this video we'll do a quick overview of the Salesforce table types in the Form Titan add-in for Word. So let's add our table. So we're going to go to the Form Titan add-in and we'll hit Insert Table and we will add an object. So let's say an account and we'll do, and what we will take a look at is the type. So you have a few different types here. So the first type is just simply the field from Salesforce. So if I'll do a name and I'll map this to the name of the account, then this is what we will get. Another option is a formula where you can add a bunch of different formulas. You can add functions. This is the formula. Another option is empty. So just have an empty row. So we'll stick this with empty. So we'll call empty. And our next option is to have the row index. Okay. That will give you the number of the row in the table. So we'll do row number just so we can see everything. And we'll add another column. And this is the conditional. So the type conditional is really cool. What it will do is it lets you select conditional fields. So let's say if you want to choose a certain field from Salesforce, if your rule is true or false, then you can set this up and conditionally bring in dynamic fields from Salesforce. So let's get rid of this guy and we're just gonna render the table like that. And let's set a filter. We're just going to remove everything, bring in the first 50, and I'll hit preview. And here is our table. This is the empty column that we selected. This is the name, and that's our row number. And this is how it's done.